Hey Salmon River Canyon, I am at Hammer Creek Recreation Site today. This is where you can launch your jet boat into the big Salmon River. I'm just 5 minutes away from my latest listing at 162 Shuck Creek. Let's go take a look. We made it. Look at these stunning views of the Salmon River Canyon behind me. This 3-bedroom, 2.5 bath home is immaculate. There is pride of ownership everywhere. I'm so excited to show you more. There is truly too many bells and whistles about this property to mention them all. Just to start, there's 3,230 square feet in this gorgeous home. Check out these beautiful granite countertops, custom Beechwood cabinetry with soft closed drawers, stainless steel Kenmore Elite appliances. The master bedroom offers vaulted ceilings, a walk-in closet, dual granite countertop vanity, a tile walk-in shower, and a corner soaker tub. I'm standing out by the chicken coop and I'm in the orchard. There is over 50 fruit trees on this property, blackberries, raspberries, blueberries, and room to put a garden in. I'm standing on 1,000 square feet plus of Trex decking with storage underneath. There's rock and iron railing. There's rock retaining walls with drip system irrigation. There's a 220 hot tub hookup just off the master bedroom, 2 propane stubs, a dog kennel, 11 kilowatt generator for power outages. The Snake River is to the west, Joseph Plains is to the west, the Salmon River to the east, and also amazing eastern sunrises. If you have any questions about this property or you want to set up your own personal tour, give me a call on my cell 208-921-0634.